Got anything you got to say?
Yes, I'm super excited. I'm hoping it is as good as I expect it to be.
All right, we're in Houston. We're fixing to do a light show
At the Botanic Garden.
at the Houston Botanic Garden. Got a little off track due to the directions. Probably can't hear us because of the wind.
Not my directions.
Directions to get here, and we went through some. So, but we're here, so I'm gonna turn this thing around and let you see what we got. It's right there in the background, so we're getting ready to go in. Somebody's a little more excited than me, though.
It's so pretty. Let's go.
All right.
I don't know if you can see all that detail or not. Those are beautiful. This is actually a 3D coming out. Hey babe, what are you thinking?
It's nice.
It's nice because I wanted to come.
It's a lot of flowers. I have to admit, this is better than I had expected. And there's quite a few people here, so. You can see the lights, and I guess that's Houston over that direction. There's a good exhibit. Nancy's still over there doing her pictures.
Yeah, you can go look right there in case you want to go on
All right, time to move on. All right, where you at?
Roll Tide everywhere.
I reckon this is the Jungle Book.
Все. Готов?
Absolutely Nancy's favorite, I'm sure.
It's incredible.
Это просто дерево, Матвей. Чего тут дерево?
So that was a possum.
I don't know what kind of tree it is, but pretty unique. Paper umbrellas. Alright, what'd you think about it?
Oh, I loved it.
It was a lot better than I expected it to be. So, if you get a chance, yeah, y'all need to get, I think it goes to when?
Only until February the 23rd, so not too much longer. But if you can get out here, it is definitely worth the time and money.
Oh, yeah. Hey, thanks for watching. We had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.